Hi there, are you somebody who struggles with rounded shoulders? You know, you might think of it as sloped shoulders or poor posture because my shoulders are always coming towards the front of me. Well, if so, friend, then this video is for you. Hi there, my name is Morgan Risden and I'm the creator of Center Studio, where I teach people skills to feel more comfortable more often. As in every day you wake up, I hope you only feel better and better, my friend. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm really glad that you're here. And I hope if you enjoyed today's content, you'll take a moment, hit the subscribe button. Also, there's a notification bell that just lets you know anytime I make a new video. And of course, you can always feel free to check out my other videos and leave a comment about the things that you appreciate or that you'd like to see more of. Now, I wanted to make this video on rounded shoulders, sloping shoulders, you know, the kind of shoulders that people associate with poor posture, because I am constantly getting questions about this in my practice. Students are wanting to know, what can I do to change my shoulders? I want my shoulders to be out. I want them to be nice and long and wide. And honestly, friends, I know a thing or two about rounded shoulders because, as you can see, yes, I too had bad posture at one point, and my shoulders too were very rounded forward. So the good news is A, you're not alone, and B, there's hope you can change. Okay, now how you get there might not be as quick as you'd like it to be. However, I promise you, with repetition, awareness, and implementing some of these ideas I'm going to be talking to you about, you can start to see progress as well. Okay, so I'm going to break these videos up in a little bit of bite-sized videos for you. So I'll follow this video with additional supportive information just to get you thinking about how you're using your shoulders in your day-to-day life. But to begin with, I really want to ask you about how are you using your arms, your fingers, your hands, your shoulders in your everyday life, and do you ever think about it? And you might be scratching your head and saying, no, I don't ever think about it. Although I know you talk to me about this all the time, Morgan, but no, I don't always think about it. Okay, let's say that's you. Well, now I'm asking you, friend, please think about it. Notice, what am I doing? How am I doing it? And am I aware of the use of my shoulders? And is it necessary? Do I need my shoulders to wash my dishes? Do I need my shoulders in order to drive my car? Do I need my shoulders to type on my computer? Now, I don't care what the answer is. I don't care if it's a yes or a no. I just want you thinking about it. I want you noticing and observing, what do you do? When do you use your shoulders? When do they feel like they're hiked up, and when do they feel like they're relaxed? It always starts with awareness, this piece of thoughtfulness and consideration about how you're using yourself in your day-to-day life. And until, my friend, you start to do that, we can't possibly change the way things look, because you don't know what you're doing. So paying attention to, when am I using my shoulders? Is it necessary? And if it's not, just noticing and moving on. So it's really quite simple. The assignment that I'm giving you is to pay attention, to notice what you notice, and just jot it down either mentally or on a piece of paper. When are you using your shoulders? When are they needed? And when is it not necessary? It's just something that you're used to doing, because I always type like this. It's just how I type, Morgan. Okay, well, we don't need the shoulders in order to type. I'll talk more about that in the other videos. But again, it starts with the awareness piece so that you know, when am I using my shoulders and is it necessary or not? Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video, my friend. And of course, if you did, it would really mean a lot to me if you hit that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe and comment below. Share what things you've already begun to notice, even in the short time of just watching this video. Because if you're anything like me, even just when you were watching, you probably started paying attention or noticing things that you might not have been noticing before. All right, until next time, my friend, take care. Ciao.